My name is Marcus, I'm the great entertainer. When I clean the windows, yes, it ain't no stranger. Try to clean the window faster than me, you'll be in danger like a caution sign. My tell will blow your mind. I'm cleaning more windows than your whole lifetime. You know I'm black, and my skills are all that. Put the high five behind me, clean the window with my back. The one use of Wagtail took my soul. Just like the black hole, I was cleaning more windows than the tree grows mold.
Alright. I'm at one of my accounts. They're jamming up here in Five Guys. But I've made my original gunslinger review in Five Guys. Isn't it kind of, that's like deja vu all over again. So I have 3 gunslingers. I had 4. I gave one away, and I'm sorry I ever did, because that was the very, very original prototype. There was 2 prototypes in the beginning. This was the second one. The actual first one that he only made like maybe 3 or 4 of those and gave them out. Richie. But here's the shorty where I made a review on the clip system. And you see how it is? It's still in there backwards. Alright, so that was user error. Alright? So next I want to show you, I made some modifications. I made a video about that. If you want to know what these are for, go back into the video and you will see. But yes, I do use them. Alright? If you must ask what they're for, go see the video, because I don't want this video to be long as is. Alright, so right where it creases, you see some wear and tear on that, but that's pretty much it. It doesn't leak, you know. I don't wash it that often. That's probably why it looks kind of raggedy. But up here, you'll see that there's some wear and tear, but that's not going to be an issue either, you know. And there was nothing wrong with this loop system. But when they switched to the clip system, I didn't like it. You know, I didn't know how to use the clip system. But you think it's not rocket science. Oh, man, it's easy to use. Hey, well, man, I never said I was good at everything, you know. You'll find that in life, you can't be a jack of all trades and a master of all trades. You either got to be one of the two. You got to be a jack of all trades, master of none, or not a jack of all trades, but a master of one. So what that means is, whatever your career, whatever your job, whatever your business is, become a master at it. Because at the end of the day, people will respect somebody who's a master, their mastery skills, because they're good at that one thing. You can rest assured that you got the best man for the job. All right? So, my mastery skills just happen to be cleaning windows, and I'm very good at it, and I can run circles around a lot of companies in my area that claim to clean windows. They might produce an illusion that the windows are clean, but if you look closely, they're not as clean as they could be. So for one thing, they don't have the right etiquette and the right solutions to make that glass shine like it's supposed to. One, having GG4. Y'all can use all that soap if you want, but I gotta tell you, you're robbing your customers for one thing, because you're shortchanging them. They pay good money to have that glass clean, so you should be cleaning it in a way that gives the best shine that you can give. All right. So if you're underpaid, then hey, man, because you're giving them the best clean, then you should be charging accordingly. That's all I got to say. But let's get down to brass tacks. Now that I know how to use this clip system that Brian Altuno, whatever his name is, so ethically put, I may start using this one again, probably on residential. But I'm not going to give up using that one, because that one, I like it. Now, I'm gonna open this up. As you can see, you already know what this box may pertain. All right. Some of you may say, well, it could be a couple of different things because they use that box for more than just a certain kind of product. But all right, let me put the phone down and open this up. All right, what do y'all think is in here? What do y'all think is in here? Yes, I already gave it away earlier. I said I had 3 gunslingers. I had 4. Damn. Hold on. Bigfoot. All right. As you can see, the reason why they call it Bigfoot is because that front part rests like a foot on the ground. If you look at the earlier models, that one and this one is pointing down, which means that for some people, yes, it was hitting the ground. But when you have it that way, it doesn't hit the ground and it doesn't get messed up. You know, it has rubber feet, or sort of like rubber on the end. But I like these loops, and they actually feel nice and strong. So I'm thinking it's stiff too. So they actually put some plastic in here. It feels like thin plastic to keep that bow shape. All right. Now this looks like I can hang my pump sprayer on here. The sponge is big as hell. I mean, it's for the baffle part, but I won't be filling this up with water. I didn't start out that way, and it actually was a recapturing system originally. But if you wanted to put water in there, you could. I don't put water in mine. You know why? Because I want to work smart, not hard. So when you're rigging this out, sometimes you may get a few drops on the floor because you have water in that reservoir. But why even risk doing that, especially in a residential home when you have white carpets? I just don't keep water in there. I only keep it to catch the drips. My water source is in that pump sprayer. That's all I ever need. I have water on demand. So we have 3 compartments here. This middle one is good enough for your fist to fit in. So this is where your fat mop would go, you know, and your channels would go in here. You can actually stick extra channels in the side for those who like to arsenal up, like Brian and Travis, who walk around with a cart with extreme amount of tools. I'm a very, very conservative window cleaner. I have minimal amount of tools that goes around my waist. I am portable, and I move about very quickly doing route work. So I don't need to be having extra stuff lugged around. Everything is on my waist where I can get it, and I don't need much. One or maybe a second tool, that's it. That's as far as I go. And I stick and move quicker than somebody who have a cart loaded up like they get ready to go to war with some dirty windows. All right, so this clip system is much better than the other one. If you take a look at the differences, they changed it completely. All right, I'm not a big fan of that clip system, but again, it was user error. This one I like a lot better. Here's the reason why. This clip part right here could actually go through your belt, right? You stick this around the belt that holds your bridges up, all right? And hold on one second. All right, let me put the phone down so I can show you just what I'm talking about. All right, so if you wanted to keep this on your belt and just slide this on, it's a quick, simple transaction. Check this out. This is so cool. Did you see that? So, if you don't understand what just happened, if this is on your belt, right? Your belt is through there. So this never comes off your waist. All you have to do is take your Bigfoot and just slide it on this, like so. And it's not coming off. This is outstanding. This is the best yet as far as convenience, quick on and off. My job just got that much easier. I kid you not. I kid you not. I am liking this clip system already the way it's set up. It doesn't mean I won't stop using that one. All it means is that, shoot, I may have two now. I may be like a quick draw, have one on the left since I clean every other window with my other hand. So I could have two high flyers or two precision glides or slipstreams or whatever case, whatever I feel like using, and keep one on one side, one on the other. But I may only just use one holster because I gotta work around obstacles and I don't need to be turning sideways every time because I have two gunslingers sticking out on my side. Nor do I want to keep fidgeting, sliding them around the waist because I gotta fit through tight corners and stuff. So I'm probably just gonna use one. I'm gonna save that for now, and I'm really gonna give this one a try because I like the way it's set up. I like the design. I like these loops that I can hang stuff on. It's just all around improvement for the better. I don't know what this is, but I guess you could just. I don't know what that was for. Like, you know, I don't know what that's. Why that's there like that. Maybe somebody will explain to me, but I think I know. But all right, so there we have it. There's a review. Stay tuned for this sucker to be in action, and I will give you feedback about the performance of this. But I don't think I'm going to have an issue here. I think we're good to go. Some bubbles here. Well, that's nothing. At least it's not pleather, because if it was pleather, I'll be able to pick a section out there easily with my fingernail. All right, what pleather is plastic and leather for those who don't know. All right, so there we have it. The Gunslinger Bigfoot. Kind of looks sexy there. I'm looking like high tech now, man. I got my high tech tools and I got my high tech holster. All right, it's definitely an eye catcher. Man, where did you get that nice holster from? Hey, buddy. There's only one company that can get that to you. But all right, this is Masters at Wagtail, and I'll see you in the next one.